Are you looking for a property that you can put your own stamp on, a 2-bedroom in the university area? Well, you found it. Yes, this one is dated and needs your creativity, but we've got 5 things we still love about it. Let's go and have a look. So number 1 is the lease, 937 years, and the service charge and ground rent just £100 a month, so making it really quite manageable. So before we get into our next key feature, have a look around the apartment and I'll meet you in the garden. Number 2 is the position of the apartment in the block. You're the only one that has direct access to this wonderful communal garden. Come and take a look. And just 5 minutes from the property, you've got the co-op, Cafe Yoke. You can jump on a bus or even walk to town. It's just such a super location. Number 4 is you've got a garage in a block too to help with all that storage. And number 5 is the property comes with a buyer's pack. All the searches ordered up front and there's no onward chain. So if you love what you see and you think this is the one for you, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here at Osterley Court. Take care.